Who really controls your money? Your bank, your insurance agents, the market, or you, or opinion makers, or your friends? Most Indians earn well but still feel powerless with money. That changes today. In this video, I'll show you 7-step blueprint to take control of your financial life. It's not about finding fancy products. It's about building clarity, confidence, and freedom and happiness. As a certified financial planner, CFP, I have coached hundreds of individuals, families, and thousands of people across Gurgaon, Delhi, Bangalore, India. I see the same mistakes: jumping into investments without basics, mixing insurance with returns, or copying relatives' tips, opinion makers, online influencers. Today, I'm giving you the exact step by step method, system I use with my clients to empower your financial planning and put you in complete control. 7 steps. Step number 1: start with the basics, not fancy products. Rahul, a client in Delhi, had multiple ULIPs, unit link insurance policies, but no emergency fund. Basic first rule: emergency fund is for situations like healthcare, hospitalization. You need money now. So the budgeting has to be done accordingly. So emergency fund is rule number 1. Don't build a house without a foundation. Get these 3 right before you touch anything complex. The basics first. Family budgeting for emergency requirements, a health jar, a health card, which you can use in minutes. Step number 2: separate protection from insurance. Please do not mix both. Priya, a client in Gurgaon, paid 1.2 lakh premium for a policy that gave only 12 lakhs of insurance life cover. That's a mismatch. Insurance is only required for protection. Investments are required for growth. Buy a term plan for cover only, and then mutual funds for returns. Keep the goals very clear so that the cost of buying insurance and the risk to be taken are very transparent. Step number 3: build your emergency fund. If you don't have it, build it. 12 months household expenses plus healthcare. Suresh, a client in Bangalore, took a personal loan at 18% during a crisis because he had no buffer. So build 12 months of expenses, household expenses, as a survival kit capital. Where do you park it? Liquid funds, arbitrage funds, fixed deposits, where you feel you're comfortable is liquid money. So aim for access, stability, and not high returns. Be very clear. So emergency fund for 6 to 12 months takes care of hospital bill, liquid fund, and it easy to redeem out also. Remember the 3 rules for this rule. Step 4: don't fall for complexity. Anshul, a client in Delhi, loved structured products he couldn't explain. Rule: if you can't explain to me or to someone in one line, don't buy it. Prefer simple, diversified equity mutual funds like flexi cap or multi cap. Simple. And keep your goal clear. Keep your folio 2s only 3 maximum. Complexity has a fee you pay for confusion. If you can't explain it, as I said in one line, out it. Don't mess with it. Don't have messy charts being explained to you. Have 1 or 2 clean mutual funds. Be ready to understand a SIP chart in 30 seconds and invest in it. Step number 5: invest with discipline, not emotion. Kavita, a client, and Ramesh, a client. Kavita kept her SIPs running through the downturns, the COVID times. Ramesh paused every fall. Guess who built more wealth? Building wealth is SIP plus patience is wealth. Therefore, automate all your contributions for your goals with a clear time horizon. Don't waste time tying the market. Timing in the market is more important. In the market. Step number 5, SIP discipline is more important. That this is market drama, the market gone up, down, what to do. SIP growth is more important. It brings you discipline, power of compounding, and auto debiting from your bank is the magic. Step 6, give your money a purpose. Last 10 years after I did NLP, I learned even more. A couple in Gurgaon earning well, but were directionless. We created a goal map which had home, education, retirement, vacations, clear goals. Suddenly, savings felt meaningful. Excitement that there are goals for which we are investing, purpose. So, money without purpose is a burnout. Tie every rupee you earn to a goal and a timeline. Attach the risk profile and invest. Step 6, goal mapping. That's energy. A vision board. Having goal labels and timelines with it is the process to get started with goal mapping. Step 7, financial freedom is control, not luxury. Some retirees I met in Delhi were living simply with SWP, systematic withdrawal plan, every month, brought them safety net every month on the first. True wealth is choice, dignity, and peace. It's not flashy products, it's not big investments. It's that freedom to have a consistent amount coming to you as a retiree. I learned from them. So you plan your delivery monthly cash flow and find your sleep well factor. Step 7, freedom is equal to control. In Lodi Garden, Delhi, I met morning walkers, a group once, and they told me that doing this SWP, systematic withdrawal plan, monthly payout with them, brought them that confidence of freedom. Nothing to do for the next 20 years. So, this 7-step blueprint, I'm confident, will help you stop being a passive earner. Become an architect of your own financial life. I would again ask you, put in the comments below, tell me who controls your money? The bank, the spouse, the opinion makers, the fin influencers. 7 quick steps again. Step number 1, the basics are first. Separate protection from growth. Emergency fund, 12 months. If you can't explain me in one line, don't buy it. SIP, discipline, no market drama. Goal mapping is energy. Freedom is control. Download my ebook, 10 Steps to Financial Freedom. Description gives the link. And empower your own financial planning with this 7 step-by-step blueprint for beginners. Most Indian income earners, yet feel powerless with money. Because without these 7 steps, 7-step blueprint, you are not able to take control. How do you start with the basics? You have to understand buying insurance is not buying insurance. You have to not invest insurance. You have to separate insurance from investments. That emergency fund is exclusively for emergencies. And investing with SIP, with a discipline and giving money a purpose and redefining your financial freedom brings you control. It's not a luxury anymore. Most of my clients would build real wealth using this 7-step basic understanding. Hi, I'm Taresh Bhatia, certified financial planner, founder of the Richness Academy and author of the book, The Richness Principles, and coach at Couple Finance Formula. I work with senior professionals, entrepreneurs, and Indian families to build financial freedom with clarity and confidence. In the description below, check out the link to get 10 steps to financial freedom with a limited time offer. In the comments, tell me 3 things out of the 7 steps with the 7 step approach, which is your biggest one challenge, which can empower you with your own starting of financial planning that can make you rich. Tell me in the comments. Second thing, what are the 3 steps out of the 7 steps you're going to change today? Let's see your answers in the comments below. If you've had a wish list from these 7 steps to change, what step would you choose today out of the 7 steps? Tell me in the comments below. It was good research for these 7 steps. And with my learnings, with my experience, with my expertise as a CFP, I was able to put together this video and these 7 points very fine-tuned for this video. And my other videos on YouTube channel, Taresh Bhatia, bring such ideas. If you have any such idea which I can bring forward and will help you bring more clarity in your financial freedom journey, put in the comments below the topic, and next videos will be on those topics, is what I would endeavor. Thank you very much for being on this channel, and I hope you have liked, subscribed, and you put the bell notifications so that you get notified when my next video comes. Thank you for subscribing if you haven't still subscribed. Thank you.